A Notorious Bandit leader, Ado Aleru, has issued a chilling warning to Nigerian authorities and society, stating that continued labeling of his group as terrorists will only sustain the violence ravaging communities in the northwest. Aleru, who is wanted by security agencies, made the declaration during a peace dialogue session held in Damusa local government area of Katsina State. As long as we are still being called terrorists, then do not expect us to stop behaving like terrorists, he warned. Aleru claimed that many young men were driven into banditry by years of neglect, injustice, and unresolved grievances. He said their decision to take up arms are not born out of hatred but survivor. He said peace would only be achieved if government authorities and the public stop stigmatizing them, adding that mutual respect and honest engagement were the keys to restoring trust. Aleru called for genuine reconciliation and reintegration, insisting that derogatory labels could only deepen mistrust and hostility.
To gaskiya yan banga kam tsakani da Allah da Annabi wanda na kashe gaskiya to gaskiya tsakani da Allah gaskiya ban san iyaka su ba.
The dialogue session in Damusa is part of ongoing peace-building initiative between security agencies, local authorities, and armed groups in an effort to curb persistent violence in the region. Traditional rulers, community leaders, and government officials are said to be intensifying efforts to secure lasting peace in the northwest, a region long plagued by deadly clashes between armed groups and security forces. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below, and keep watching Naija News TV.